Hey everybody, I'm Corinne Blackstone and welcome to my craft room. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that big red subscribe button down below. That way you won't miss out on any of the fun crafty content we have coming. So this is going to be part one in a series of things that I love that I found on Amazon. I'm going to go over just 5 things in this video that are things that I realized I absolutely adore and couldn't live without in my craft room. So let's get started. I can't wait to introduce you to some of my favorite Amazon finds.
Whatever we do it just for fun.
Something that I absolutely can't live without in my craft room are mats. They have mats for all sorts of different machines, but I always get the Nakapa Cricut mats. These are my absolute favorite mats. My favorite brand is the Nakapa brand, and I've tried a ton of them, and these ones seem to really last the longest. You can see all of my mats are really well loved, but they are all still extraordinarily sticky. Now I do have the cover off of them so that you guys can really see these better, but I have the strong grip, and they are labeled just like Cricut mats as well. Then the light grip. Again, pretty well loved, still very, very sticky. And then we have the standard grip. They also have a fabric grip, but I can't find mine right now. But I have been really, really happy with all of these. And these are just a fraction of the price of the Cricut brand mats. And these work just as well, if not better. I do find these ones last a lot longer. I have to wash them less. And after I'm done washing them, they tend to be stickier than the Cricut brand mats. I'm going to link everything down below so you'll be able to find these really, really easy. These go on lightning deals a lot, so you can really find great deals on any of the mats that you're looking for. If you're like me, you have lots of rolls of vinyl and they can get a little bit out of hand. So I love having slap bracelets to actually hold them in place. You can label these, there's so much that you can do, and these really keep your vinyl nice and secure. It's going to give you a much cleaner look when you roll your vinyl, and they come in tons of colors and tons of styles, so you can find something that either matches your craft room, or if you want to organize them by type using your color coding, you can do that as well. But slap bracelets are a must-have for me, and they're super inexpensive. Now, when I have my rolls, I like to just kind of put my fingers inside and roll it around my fingers. It's just a little bit quicker because it's already rolled. So rather than unrolling it, and then I make sure it's all nice and even. And then I just simply put my slap bracelet on there and it holds it together so nice and neat. I put off buying this Brayer for forever, and I don't know why, because this is awesome. This is used to help hold materials down to your mat. This is great if your mat isn't super sticky or you have material that's super rolled. It will really hold it down super well when using this. And again, it's a really inexpensive tool. It's great for cardstock as well. Super handy, and would definitely recommend getting this. Using the brayer is something that really makes a difference when you have a mat that maybe isn't quite so sticky. It's a great way to make sure that your material doesn't shift, and it's a really quick and simple thing that you can do. Now, you'll see with this one, it's really rolled up because this is a kind of a stiffer vinyl. So using that brayer is going to really help it hold down. You can really see how well it sticks to the mat with that brayer, meaning it's not going to come up and cause any issues with cutting. Now this is technically 2 items, but they're in the same category. These are the iVine Berry and the iVine Gem. What I love about these is they are weeding cups, and they suction cup to your table, so they don't roll around or move around, and you don't have to hold it in your hand. The other thing is they're made out of silicone, so they're super squishy, and so it makes it super easy to clean them out. The other thing that's great is they come in a ton of colors, and I am absolutely in love with these. I use them all the time. It really keeps the vinyl off of my hands. It keeps it off of my desk. It really makes it look a lot neater when I'm weeding, and they're just so handy. And I mean, come on, they're super cute. Now, I will say, make sure that your table is clean when you use these, because you can see mine kind of pop up a little bit. My table wasn't super clean, but they are fantastic. They make weeding go so quickly for me, and really it just makes it a lot simpler. And the openings are so big that you're able to put pretty large pieces of vinyl or HTV in them. And simply cleaning them out only takes a second. You just kind of stick your hand in there,
wiggle it around and get all that extra vinyl or HTV out, and they're silicone, so nothing really sticks to them, which makes it a lot easier to clean them out. They come in a ton of great colors. They come in What I also really love about them is that they have those little slots on the edges of the opening. And what's great is you can kind of take your weeding tool or your pin pen or whatever you're using and run it through those little slots to pull off any of the vinyl or the HTV that might be stuck on the tip of your weeding tool. So it just makes it really easy to get that stuff off, because I know sometimes that can be just like super frustrating. I think these are a great investment and I love them to death.
And last but not least is this little lifesaver. This is a desk vacuum. I found this when I very first started crafting. This is the same one that I bought way back then, and I still love it. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, and it is awesome. It cleans up so much stuff. I love using it when I use anything with glitter. This picks up glitter like a champ. It has little brushes on the bottom, and it's super easy to use, really inexpensive as well, and again, long lasting. Let's say we're working with some glitter, and oh no! We spill some glitter. It happens all the time. I can't tell you how many times I find glitter all over my desk or wherever I'm working. So I found this little vacuum, and this is a little ladybug, super cute, runs on AA or AAA batteries, and all you do, there's a little on button on the side, turn it on, and then it's a little desk vacuum, and it will clean up all of your mess. Now, I will say it does take a few little swipes to get it clean, but it does an excellent job. I've had this for about 3 years now, and the batteries last a really long time. If you're not getting a lot of suction, it is probably time to change your batteries, but it's so simple to use this, and it can clean up all that fine glitter. And then I just find, like, when I'm done, I just kind of give it a quick little, like, rounded little sweep just to make sure I've gotten everything. It's got these little brushes on the side, and then you can just simply pop it open and clean it out. Would recommend doing this right over a trash can, but you just press this little button, the whole thing opens up, and you can just clean it out. This is an excellent little item to add to your craft room. It comes in a couple different styles. I'll link everybody down below, but I absolutely love my little desk vacuum. Those are just a few of my favorite things from Amazon. So like I said, this is part 1. There will be more parts to this. But if there's something that you found on Amazon that you absolutely love and can't live without, let me know in those comments down below. I would love to check out some of your favorite things as well. And there will be links for everything I mentioned in this video in the video's description. Just make sure you click that little down arrow and it will open up the full description so that you can check out everything that I love on Amazon. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and as always, happy crafting.